Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an account on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that you just need to of course let's check out what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the website, email, online store, switch to Podia, and pricing. To the all-in-one for teams of one. Join 150,000 plus solo business owners who use Podia to run their website, online store, and email marketing. And here you can go and start your free trial. So to create, of course, an account on Podia, we have to click on sign up, start your free trial. Then you just need to wait for this. Click, of course, that you approve. Then, of course, sign up for Podia, start your free 30-day trial today. So you need to put your name and surname. So I will not be putting my own information. Of course, I'll be putting information for the sake of this video. So when you put in the information that you want to use, then just click on get started. And here it is. You have your account created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next video, bye guys.